Make a great choice today with the 2022 E-350. Ford has maintained its level of success for E-Series by continually monitoring its customers' needs and maintaining a high level of quality, power and strength, spacious comfort, abundant and versatile cargo capacity. These have made E-350 America's choice for personal and commercial vans over the past 3 decades. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, engine block heater, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.